Greetings guys, thank you for coming to my channel. This is Beauty ETC. I'm a makeup lover, I'm a makeup enthusiast, and I'm also a makeup artist. It is my pleasure to be bringing you this video today because I will be talking about the expanded version of the 5 most loved makeup items that I have used religiously. In this video, I will be using those items and I'll be mentioning them to you to see how wonderful these items have been to me this year. Please enjoy the video. Thank you for stopping by. Please subscribe if you haven't. And comment, leave a comment. Please like. I will see you in the next video. Just like the intro said, I will be showing you some of my favorite makeup items this year. My most loved items. First, I've done my face. So I used a lot of foundations this year. So for eyebrows, let's start from eyebrows. One of my most loved items, and I'm a little bit ashamed to show you this because it's, it's funny guys, but this is one of my loved items for the year 2021. I used it. Oops, it's dropping. I used it. I used the life out of it. What is this? This is an eye pencil. This is the Davis. If you are Nigerian, let me hear you in the comment section saying whoop, whoop, whoop. Saying yes. Okay, so this is the Davis number 3 pencil. What? I've loved, as you can see, it is well loved. This is like the 3rd one, and it is this size, and I use it till it becomes like half of this size, and I drop it. Then I get another one. But this is the Davis pencil, and I had to show you this one to let you see that this has been really loved, and that is what achieved my brows today, as you can see. Now, with my brows, I also use a brow gel. I use this pencil to trace my brows, okay? It doesn't fail. I sharpen it. Yes, I'm old school. I have my handy dandy sharpener here. It's always ready to go. I sharpen it before every use, and ooh, this pencil does not fail me. I love it. I use it for my clients. I use it for myself. After, we have the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer Matte Finish. This has been loved. This I use to lay my eyeshadow. So this is my base, okay? This is my base. I use other items, but I always come back to my e.l.f. matte. So you see how smooth it is? Snatch your eyelids, okay? I'll be right back. another favorite, most loved item coming in number 3 position is this Sephora translucent powder, loose powder. You got it. This follows me everywhere, and I think I like the way it's packaged, so little and so portable. You know, it's just beautiful. I just love it. This, I use it to set my eyelids. I also use it to set my whole face, before and after foundation. This translucent powder to just make sure that nothing moves, okay? And I use this small brush to do it, just like so. This powder ensures that my makeup stays on all day. This gives the Laura Mercier a run for her money. Now, I'm not saying that Laura Mercier is not good. It is good. It's good, oh. But this one also, Sephora, I have to back up. When they had the sale, I bought 2. I purchased 2, honey. Okay, because that's how much I love this. All right. So you need to run, not walk, and get you some. They're having some amazing sales, so please do not be left behind, okay? Another loved item for the year of 2021, on the days that I remember to actually use it, is the Black Opal Beautiful Bronze and Suede Mocha. Okay, I use these two depending on what my face is doing that day to contour my face, okay, to low light. So let me show you how I do it. And I love this because it is not expensive and it blends right into my skin like so. Sometimes I use it over here as well, like so. I do that little V and I will be back to blend. But I love this. I love this. It blends like a dream, like a dream. I love it. So that's coming in number, I believe, 4. Now we're going to go into my most loved palette for the year 2021, and that will be none other than the Saharan. The Saharan 2 by Juvia's Place. Yes, yes, yes. Of course, Juvia's Place had to find her way into this video, right? Let me tell you. Let me tell you about this palette. Come, let's talk about this palette. This color right here is great for bronzing, for low lighting, contouring, depending on your skin complexion. For me, it works perfect to bronze my face. This color right here is perfect for transitions, for blush. These two, this one and this one, perfect for blush, blushing, transition. This one is also good for transition, again depending on the complexion, or if you just want to create an overall one eyeshadow look, this is your go-to. If you want a pop of color, you go into that blue. It's beautiful. If you want to highlight your face, you can come to this color or you can go to this color. Depending on your complexion, you can also use this color as well. The only color, and oh, I forgot, this is a beautiful, I don't know, my camera is not showing you the true color, but this is a beautiful bronze color. I'm going to use it for you guys to see. I am going to use it for you guys to see. The only color that I didn't mention, is this one, but you can use this also as just an eyeshadow. So this is, I can only use it for an eyeshadow, but all the other colors, they have multi-purposes. This is my most loved palette 2021, and that's on ice. That's on period. That is on period, honey. Get you there. Juvia's Place is having a sale. You would be foolish not to participate. Trust me, I'm a little under the weather. There are still such things as the flu, as the cold. There's still other sicknesses in the world, and some of us still get sick. Okay, so I'm just struggling through. So please encourage me by commenting, by liking, by subscribing, all that good jazz. But yes, this is a palette that I truly, truly adore. So guys, this is the finished look. What do you think? No lashes. And thank you for watching.